This demo, I'll show how our SambaNova WhatsApp agent in 8n works. A WhatsApp message triggers the workflow, runs through the Llama-4 Maverick model, keeps memory, and even uses tools like Google Calendar for instant smart replies. I connected Gmail to fetch Google Calendar in WhatsApp. I just asked, "How's my day?" And boom, my full event list appears in a second. All powered by SambaNova's RDU chips, delivering some of the fastest AI inference in the world. And this is just the beginning. With SambaNova speed in n8n, we can build the fastest customer agent inside WhatsApp, from answering FAQs, booking appointments, fetching reports, to giving real-time updates.